Welcome back, explorers! Today, we're journeying through Belgium's captivating cities and landscapes. From Brussels, the heartbeat of European politics, to the romantic canals of Bruges, Belgium is a medley of cultural richness, historical significance, and natural allure. Let's unveil the top 15 destinations in this alluring nation. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Belgium, where heritage meets modernity. Brussels. Begin your Belgian voyage in Brussels, a cosmopolitan blend of culture and politics. Tour the Grand Place, where opulent guild halls stand as a testament to its rich history. Admire the atomium, an architectural wonder symbolizing the structure of an iron crystal. Relish authentic Belgian waffles as you meander through bustling streets. Visit the Royal Palace, an epitome of grandeur that opens to the public in summer. Bruges? Navigate to Bruges, a city where romance lingers in the air. Cruise the winding canals that dissect this medieval masterpiece. Ascend the Belfry Tower to capture sweeping views of red roofs and historic squares. Wander through Markt Square, absorbing the vibrancy of this ancient marketplace. Explore the Groningen Museum, home to a remarkable collection of Flemish art. Ghent. Set your sights on Ghent, where the old and new seamlessly converge. Walk the fortress walls of Gravenstein Castle, echoing tales of medieval life. Treat yourself to a local beer at a centuries-old pub, a Ghent specialty. Marvel at the Ghent altarpiece, housed in the magnificent St. Bavo's Cathedral. Roam through Paterschol, where cobblestone streets give way to hidden culinary gems. Antwerp. Immerse yourself in Antwerp, the nation's hub of fashion and diamond trading. Visit the Cathedral of Our Lady and admire Rubens' masterpieces that adorn its interior. Engage with diverse exhibits at the Museum Anne de Stroom, an architectural marvel. Stroll along the Scheldt River, breathing life into this vibrant city. Discover the Antwerp Zoo, a sanctuary of biodiversity right in the city center. Leuven. Experience Leuven, a youthful city steeped in academic prowess. Visit La Duzeplein, home to a monumental beetle sculpture that defies convention. Admire contemporary artworks at the M Museum Leuven, a hub of modern creativity. Socialize at the Old Market Square, where nearly every building houses a bar. Gaze upon the University Library, a neo-Flemish Renaissance masterpiece on La Duzeplein. Mechelen. Discover Mechelen, a city balancing its historical significance with a youthful spirit. Ascend the tower of St. Rumbold's Cathedral, offering panoramic vistas of the entire city. Engage with interactive exhibits at Technopolis, a hands-on science center. Visit Caserne d'Ossène, a poignant museum and memorial dedicated to the Holocaust. Stroll through Mechelen's Botanical Garden, a serene retreat in the city. Waterloo. Step onto the fields of Waterloo, where the course of European history was altered. Visit the Lion's Mound, an artificial hill marking the spot where the French were defeated. Explore the Visitor Center, where immersive displays bring the historic battle to life. Participate in a guided tour, reliving key moments through expert storytelling. Pay respects at the memorial sites scattered across this historic landscape. Dinant. Embark on a journey to Dinant, cradled between cliffs and the Meuse River. Experience a cable car ride up to the citadel, offering spectacular views of the region. Take a leisurely boat ride along the Meuse River, encompassing the city's beauty. Visit the Collegiate Church of Notre Dame, an iconic Gothic cathedral. Taste the local specialty, Coupe de Dinant, a hard, sweet biscuit. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Tournai. Delve into Tournai, one of Belgium's oldest cities, renowned for its rich history. Visit the Cathedral of Notre Dame, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with remarkable architecture. Explore the Museum of Fine Arts, hosting an impressive collection of European masterpieces. Stroll along the Scheldt River, which adds to the city's serene atmosphere. Examine the Pont des Trous, an iconic medieval bridge evoking the city's past. Spa. Relax and rejuvenate in Spa, Belgium's original wellness retreat. Indulge in the natural mineral springs, which have attracted visitors for centuries. Visit the Spa Casino, the world's oldest, where the concept of a spa vacation was born. Experience a day at the racetrack, the Circuit de Spa-Francorchamps, home to the Belgian Grand Prix. Take a nature walk in the surrounding Ardennes, an area of exceptional natural beauty. Namur. Unearth the beauty of Namur, the capital of Wallonia. Tour the Citadel of Namur, a historical fortress offering panoramic views. Visit the Felician Rops Museum, honoring the 19th century Belgian artist. Cruise along the Meuse River for a different perspective on the city's landmarks. Ypres. Experience Ypres, a city rebuilt from the ashes of World War I. Visit the In Flanders Fields Museum, an emotional tribute to the war's legacy. Attend the last post ceremony at the Mechelen Gate, an everyday act of remembrance. Stroll through the preserved trenches, where soldiers once held the line. Ardennes. Journey into the Ardennes, Belgium's rugged and scenic natural wonder. Trek through dense forests, where legends of knights and castles come to life. Experience kayaking along the Orthe River, surrounded by verdant landscapes. Visit the caves of Hanserlesse, a subterranean world of stalactites and stalagmites. Ostend. Discover Ostend, Belgium's premier coastal city. Stroll along the expansive beach, backed by a bustling promenade. Visit the Musée, an art museum focusing on Belgian talent. Enjoy a seafood feast at the Wistrap Fish Market, a showcase of the North Sea's bounty. Experience the Ostend Film Festival, a gathering of cinematic talent from around the world. Lier. Conclude your tour in Lier, a charming town often overlooked by travelers. Walk along the River Net, flanked by medieval architecture and modern cafes. Visit Zimmer Tower, housing an astronomical clock with a variety of dials and indicators. Explore Lier's Beginnage, a UNESCO World Heritage Site steeped in tranquility. From Brussels' bustling Grand Place and iconic Atomium to the medieval charm and canals of Bruges, each destination offers a glimpse into Belgium's rich diversity. From the art and diamonds of Antwerp to the tranquil beauty and natural wonders of the Ardennes, Belgium is a tapestry of experiences, each more captivating than the last. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through the places that make Belgium truly unforgettable. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit TripJive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.